Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. Today we got this MG ZS in stock for you. It's a 1 litre turbo. It's automatic gearbox as well. In this video I'll be walking around the car, showing you the spec on it and also the mileage on this car. Start off with, it's a lovely black pearl colour. So we've got automatic headlights in front. You can see the LED daytime running lights and also front fog lights. It's a nice chrome grille as well. It's got some chrome accents all around the car. And you got 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as well. That's the first alloy there. Not being scuffed or anything, nice and lovely. As you can see, the bodywork's really nice as well. Not a dent on the car. I'll let you know if I see one, and also some scratches as well. I'll let you know. Right, that's the second alloy there, which is nice and lovely. Coming to the rear of the car, you got LED tail lamp there. It's really nice. You got rear parking sensors along with the reverse camera just down there. I'll show you the boot space on this car. As you can imagine, really lovely boot space. It's the 60/40 speed full as well, which goes all the way down. So if you need more bigger space or want to do something in there, it's really nice. Comes handy if you're a golfer as well to put your clubs in. Under there we got your tire repair kit and also space for your spare wheel, which is nice. And it does have two settings, so well you can take it all the way up if you want more higher up. And on both the sides you got some storage compartment as well. And there's a parcel shelf there. So yeah, coming to the left hand side of the car now. That's a third alloy, which is nice and lovely, not been scuffed. And you can see the bodywork's really nice as well. The previous owner has taken really good care of it. Credit to him. Got roof railings on top as well. Got leather seats as well. It's nice isofix settings on both the sides, which is lovely. Some storage space in there, cup holders and more storage space up here as well. So yeah, as you can see, car's really in mint shape, and that's the fourth alloy. So yeah, I'll jump in and I'll show you inside. So you got all 4 electric windows here. The front one's automatic, your locking system just down there. Also your electric windows, well, wing mirrors. You got some storage space there, your petrol and the bonnet fuel just down there. So the car's done 33,993, that's a nice number there, as you can see. So yeah, it's really nice. Comes with sat nav. We got FM, AM, DAB, which is nice, and also CarPlay on this car. No Android Auto, unfortunately. So that's your navigation, which is nice and responsive. You got your icon here, a small screen which pops up just down there, which is nice. You got your auto on and off, your USB just down there, and your 12-volt socket. You got your automatic gearbox, which is semi-auto as well, as per your liking, as you can see. So yeah, multifunction steering wheel. On the left you got your Bluetooth hands-free function. On the right you got your trip computer. You got auto headlights, and you got your cruise control just down there, and your wipers. So yeah, cars here with us will live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team. Also, it comes with full service history as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.